Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're showcasing beautifully made, factory-matched leather seats for the 2016 Honda Civic. Ready to elevate your ride? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about cloth seats. They're notorious for stains, wear, and that hard-to-clean grime. Not exactly the look or feel you want for your ride. Here's the game changer: luxurious leather seats. These aren't just any leather seats, they're factory match, designed specifically for the 2016 Honda Civic, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless look. Cleaning leather seats is a breeze compared to fabric. A quick wipe, and those spills and stains are history. Plus, leather seats resist wear and tear much better than fabric. Leather seats elevate your driving experience with unmatched comfort and durability. They stay fresh and stylish, resisting stains and odors, making them perfect for a busy lifestyle. Upgrade to these leather seats and enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Our professional installation ensures they fit perfectly, transforming your Civic's interior into a luxurious space. And just for today, we have an incredible offer: $100 off on leather kits. Don't miss out on this deal. Ready to make the switch? Call us now at 9093-40550 or visit mupholsterytechnology.com to schedule your upgrade.